Hello everyone. My presentation topic is 5G technology. 5G means fifth generation technology. These are the contents on which we are going to speak. First, so let's start the seminar. First of all, introduction. What is 5G? 5G means fifth generation technology in the field of networking. 5G is the fifth generation mobile network, and it is a new global wireless standard. And before 5G, there were 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks, which were working on same network. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everyone together, everyone and everything together. 5G is ready to enter into the market in 6 months, and Reliance Jio Spectrum is going to launch its 5G spectrum under the 5G name technology. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver multi-Gbps data. In 5G, it will give up to 10 Gbps data. High performance and improved efficiency will give users new experience, and it will connect new industries. Many of the European countries in the world are already accepted 5G technology, and they are moving ahead towards the 6G technology. Then what is the 5G technology? In telecom industry, 5G is the fifth generation technology. 5G, is, 5G has promised to start a revolution that goes far beyond fast browsing and clearer call. It will give faster data and clear voice calling and video calling. The main advantage of 5G network is more advanced voice calling and faster data network. It will give a faster and faster net quality, and due to increased bandwidth, it will provide users to data providing, and it will also be act as a mini ISP, and which will create a war between current internet service providers and 5G spectrum. How does it work? 5G For 5G enabling, there will be requiring new radio frequencies. For that purpose, we need to update radio and other equipment on cell towers. For this, 5G network must install tons of smart cells, because we cannot install that much wires in all over the country and all over the world. So we will update the existing wires with updating small cell-like structures on existing wires. And for that reason, uh, it might be installing 5G technology startingly in the big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, and then slowly it will increase its network. And there are three types of networks which it will follow. First of all, low band network. It will cover more wide area, but its speed will be reduced due to the wide area coverage. Second is high band network. It will be fast, but it will struggle to move through hard surfaces. And third is mid band network. It will be a balanced combo of speed and coverage. Applications. 5G first application is due to fast networking. It will provide 360 video, 3D and HD virtual reality. It will create a revolution in the networking. So it will enhance the speed of data. Second is remote surgery. With the help of advanced data, the With the help of this technology, doctors can do surgeries with the help of robots from one we, from one from industrial robots. Due to increase in faster net, it will be used to work on industrial robots, and it will provide much efficiency in the field of production. AI or humanoid robots, it will provide faster and efficient networking in the for development of humanoid robots, AIs, and like all autonomous vehicles. It will provide humanless vehicles for the transaction of huge materials, and it will provide a security to humans, unarmed vehicles. And these type of vehicles will provide faster traveling through the world from one point to another point. It will be mostly used in military purposes for during the war. Conclusion: the telecom field is increasing field in the and the need of data is increasing day by day, because the 21st century is called the digital world. 5G technology is the next step of 4G technology to increase the speed of quality and internet and voice. It will create a big revolution in the field of data and a lot of competition to internet service providers. And it will also provide much help in artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain technologies, and much more. These are the references on which from which we can gather the information about the 5G technology. Thank you.